Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be sewing together this very cute t-shirt. I made it, I create my own pattern, as well as I color with some fabric paint on it. So let's get started. So I bought extra large t-shirt. You can buy any size, but extra large will give you more space to design your t-shirt, or you can get double X as well. So now what I'm doing, I'm making sure my t-shirt that I will be cutting from is flat. So I am attaching the hem side with pin, just to make sure it doesn't move around. Now I'm folding my t-shirt into 2 equal parts. This way when you cut your other t-shirt, you will cut the whole t-shirt at once. So I bought my t-shirt that I'm willing to do another one. This is a 5 years old t-shirt, so you can get whatever size you want and start transferring the size. I also, if you notice, I made it a little bit longer than the original t-shirt. So I'm going to trace my t-shirt like you see, and then I will be adding a seam allowance about 1 centimeter. Once this is done, now we are going to cut our t-shirt. Just make sure you cut on the seam allowance that you marked. Now we have our t-shirt. We want to make sure that the front neck hole is a bit wider than the back neck hole. So I'm gonna take them apart and I'm going to draw the front neck hole by itself on fold as well. You can go as deeper or wider as much as you want. Now I'm going to start to trace my sleeves. As you can see, again, I'm making use of the sleeve, the original sleeve of the t-shirt, the finish for the original sleeve hem. So I'm taking that instead of me making this nice hem again. So as you see, I'm just again tracing my other t-shirt and allowing a seam allowance 1 centimeter. I'm gonna cut 2 of these sleeves. We are going to sew the shoulder seams, and also I serged my shoulder seam. In here I'm just measuring the neck hole that I designed and put it on fold. My fabric for the neck hole is just a stretchy fabric, and then I will sew it in the edge. Like you see, I just sew it in the edge, and now we are going to fold it into 2 equal halves. We are going to pin it as well and try to attach this. Make sure when you attach it, the seam in the neck in the neckband and matches the center back of your t-shirt. That's why I'm marking my center back of the t-shirt and the front center, just to align the seam of the neckband with the center back. Now we are going to attach our sleeves for the two sides. Like you see, make sure they are right side together, and now we are attaching from the back side. So make sure also you attach it to the end. Do not stretch your sleeves. Once this step is done, we are going to sew the t-shirt from the two sides. For some reason the video decided to take picture instead, but anyway, you got the idea. And here is our t-shirt. We completed our project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I encourage you to subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.